GRUNEN WOLKEN Milk Frother Handheld. Get froth in 7 seconds. High-powered low noise with support stand and coffee. Stencils electric milk coffee drink mixer, perfect for coffee, cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate. More user-friendly design. Most of other milk frothers adopt vertical buttons. After investigation, we found that side button is more comfortable and easier to use, so we integrated it into our handheld electric milk frother. Through practical tests, it's proved that this milk frother can also provides 4 times longer battery life using 2 AA batteries, not included. After new batteries are installed, it can be used for over 6 hours in total, while others can only be used for around 1.5 hours. A new generation with stronger power. Our electric milk coffee blender uses a new generation of technology. It has stronger power and provides a speed of 17,000 RPM, creating thicker foams in a few seconds. Our handheld milk frother can be used in more mixtures, suitable for all types of milk, as well as creams, soybeans, etc. Besides, the service lifetime of its motor is almost 3 times longer than others. Our motor can be used for over 300 hours and others can only be used for about 100 hours. Matcha, coffee, hot chocolate and more. Our matcha blender is more effective than a manual matcha beater. It can easily mix matcha powder to create a delicate taste. Our electric coffee blender can be used to make different types of coffee, such as lattes, cappuccinos, matchas and even bulletproof coffees. It can make thick and silky milk foam to meet all your expectations. Made of high-quality materials, our electric milk frother is made of only high-quality materials. The handle we use is non-slip ABS material, and the blender portion is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, which is safe and environmentally friendly. The bracket is also made of stainless steel, which is very stable and sturdy. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.